Okay guys, we are back again with another video once again. Now we're going to show you a couple more advanced things on the key editor, and I just want to show you something. So we're going to play back the song quickly, the little loop that we've done so far. Okay, so we've heard that now. Now, just want to explain a couple of little things. Down the bottom here, we've got the this menu here. This menu controls a lot of different parameters that you can use to manipulate the sound. However, we're not going to go too far into that for the moment. We're just going to cover one, which is velocity. Velocity covers the level or hardness of the instrument that plays. So at the moment we've got the string here. If we was to put the velocity down here, the string would play low down. And you can control the level of the volume based on where you add these bits and pieces. The thing is, with the sounds, when you're doing a mix and stuff, you want pretty much, unless you're trying to give it some sort of different feel, you want all your instruments to stay at the same sort of level. It makes it easier to mix. So I kind of picked this up from Pete Parsons, Monroe Studios back in the day. He always used to tell me, especially on bass lines, make sure your bass lines have the same velocity. So all you do is just press and hold the left mouse button. You can even do velocity fade outs for effects, which we can show later on in more advanced courses. But for now, let's just talk about making that all the same level. Now listen to the difference. Much stronger. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing again. Let's just duplicate the track, delete the instruments from that we've duplicated, and now we've got the same instruments again, but now we're going to go into our instrument panel. Go into our instrument panel. Bear with me, guys. Just double checking. Yep. Going to go into our instrument panel, and we're going to select another instrument. Oh, that's a nice sound, that is. Damn, that's actually quite gnarly. Right, we're going to have to come back to that. Sometimes you can get sidetracked in a song. When you're writing, guys, one thing I just want to throw out there is don't feel no way to save this up and start another project. Because if you've got like flipping 5 projects on the go, there's nothing wrong with that, working on them bit by bit. One here, one there, you know, until they're all finished. Next thing you know, you've got 5 tracks ready to go. So sometimes I'll be in the mix now and I hear another riff and it doesn't go necessarily with this project. I like that. Do you know what? I'm just going to put that down. Yeah. Now here's the deal. On Cubase, there is a function which I really like a lot, and it's called Retrospective recording. So where you've had a doodle on the keyboard, you didn't even press record, you can go to transport, and you can go to MIDI retrospective keyboards, and insert track. And then you can go insert from track as input linear recording. So let's see what that comes up with when we pop that in there and we press solo and listen to it. Let's hear what happens. So now, if you look here, that is now it's now playing back all the riffs that we just doodled on. And the last one that we doodled with was. And I actually absolutely love this about Cubase. So now, because when you actually play that riff, like, sometimes it's organic, man. You just get it in the moment. And, like, you want to play it back again, but you can't quite play it back exactly the same as you had it before. So now we've got that riff down. It's all locked off, right? We've got it all locked down. It's not in time with the music or anything, but that's not a problem. We can go in there. We can fix that up. We've got the editing skills to do that. So we can do that, right? So we grab that. We chuck that right back to the beginning. Make sure the notes is in the right place. Now, there's another function. If you press the C key, you can hear the metronome. And you want to make sure that it's all on the downbeats. Tick, tock, 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 down. Tick, tock, tock, down. Tock, 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 down. So all these riffs are going to start on the downs, yeah? So it's like that. Yeah? Down, down, down. Down, down, down. So here we go. Down. 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 See, that was off there, right? So here we go. So we're literally just singing along to the metronome in our heads here. This is how we're getting the rhythm. Kind of second nature once you kind of get the flow of things and get into it. Right? Oh, don't move that off note, whatever you do, off the note, because it won't sound how you played it. So now we got down, down. Nice sound that is, man. Right, again. All on the downbeat. You can see the white lines of the downbeat, the sort of greyish lines are the offbeats, right? Or in between the beats. So we want that dung 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 dung. Boy, cha. I like that, man. You know, some of these weren't bang on time, so we just quantized them up. 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Right, you can see the quantization here. Look, you can see, look, this end of this note is on the beginning of that line. End of that note is in the beginning of the line. Look at that one, it's not quite on the beginning of the line. So now we need to change this from 16ths, from 8ths to 16ths, and move these along. So that's the pattern there. Look, boom, boom, boom. That one's there. That one's there. That one needs quantizing a little bit more. You could just visually see it now. Look, that's gone back too far. That needs to be there. That's gone there. Yeah. Boom. This one needs to be before the line because that's the flavour we're doing. Right. And then boom. Look. Alright, that last one was a bit off there. Like, let's bring that back. So we're just writing. We're just getting ideas down. It's coming out. It's flowing. We're just seeing what's what. It's all about... You don't want to sit in the studio and like not have no ideas. You don't want to come out with nothing. You got to just keep on working on your ideas. You'll come back another day and you'll hear them different. You'll hear what it needs to go with it. Lovely. And then that ends just there. Background again. Right, so we got that riff. Now, a quick way to save. Get into this habit for me. Hold down the control key or the CMD key and just press S. Look at the cursor mouse. Look up here, look. It will just save, yeah? So that's how you know you're saving. And look. Man, that is fat. Let's see what that sounds like when we just like... Oh, what? That's wicked, man. Turn off that metronome. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, so now the good thing is about this Cubase has a sampler, right? Now, sampler, it might not be the B's and E's or whatever. I've heard they've updated it in the Cubase 11. I'll probably get onto that. I've got like a bass pack here. Let's go for like 106 sick bass sounds, or even my 150 boosted. Let's go for that, yeah. Let's see what sounds we've got in here. Definitely a dirty bass line, right? So just drag that and drop it in there, apparently, and then just press the keys. But you don't want to play. All right, so what's going on here? It's muted. Okay, so let's have a listen and see what we got here. so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play that, I'm going to listen to it, and I'm going to just try and see if I can find a bass that fits it. Good place to start would be try and copy the notes. Right, so let's see what we got that. Now let's play it along a bit more. Oh, what? You've got to feel the music, man. God damn. Just keep it simple. Yes, 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 crew. That's having it, that's having it. Double click, let's go in and see what's going on. Tidy him up. That's wicked, man, look at that. All right, so let's get the quantize going. Now lock that in. Quantize it up better, man. Where it's untidy, just clean him up. Right, that just blatantly needs to move over. Okay, so another key we're going to learn now today, guys, I'm going to show you is the F key. The F key is for follow. While you're editing, you press F. And the screen will scroll to where you are editing. When you don't want the screen, to scroll, you press F and it will freeze the screen where you want it. Double note there. Let's take that out. Get rid of that. I can hear a double note in the start of that somewhere. There's like 2 notes. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's have a listen. Or it's either that or notes are overlapping. No, yeah, there's overlapping notes there somewhere. Let's have a look at that. No? Okay, cool. Nice, that's real tidy. That one was a bit ahead of its time. Yeah. Okay, guys, that is the end of that section. We're going to carry on into the next module where we do even more stuff to this and build our track up and build our vibe up. Guys, see you in the next video.